So I'll be showing you how to access and also take out the battery and SD card of your GoPro Hero 12. Now, ideally, you want to first of all switch off the GoPro. So long press on the power button. That's going to turn off the camera. And then now on this other side, you should see this door. Okay. So when you're looking at the screen, the door is on your right. This is the door that houses the camera battery and SD card. So what you want to do is pull down here. So just use some force to pull down and it's gonna snap out, and then now you can lift the door and you'll see your battery, which is normally white. This is just a battery from a different camera, but the default GoPro Hero 12 battery is a white one. Okay, so you have this little tag that you can use to pull the battery out like that. Okay, simple as that. The SD card can also be pulled out. It's normally here, so you can just take it out whether the battery is there or not. So actually, let me just put the battery back. To take out the SD card, just press on the SD card inside like that. It's going to pop out, as you can see, and now it's going to make it easier for you to just pull it out like that. Okay, and it really is as simple as that. That's how to take out the battery and the SD card of your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.